Welcome, Nicola Wedderburn, Executive Director of the International Literacy Association. You have a global reach and you're anchored right in Newark, Delaware. What is the mission of ILA?
Sure. ILA's mission is truly to connect research and practice and to improve the quality of literacy learning across the globe. We strive to make it in a way that is respectful and responsive and ethical. And we're advocates for equitable access to literacies among individuals of all ages.
And I understand that your mantra sort of is education is an agent for change. I'll buy that one.
Absolutely, absolutely. Truly is an agent for change. That's how communities, schools, districts, and the world changes is through education. And literacy just has such a strong hold on education. It's really the way that people are able to move forward through increasing their literacies.
Now, you're in 128 locations or 128 countries, not countries, I guess, locations all around the world. Do they all look the same on the ground?
No, we're in 128 different countries, and these countries are broken down. Aside from where we are domestically within the United States, we have 7 regions, and those regions are Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, uh, Eurasia, Latin America, Oceania, Europe. And in those regions, we have affiliates spread across. So it really depends on the need of the area and the different projects that we take on.
And you're supporting both educators and researchers. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
What does it look like?
Sure. So ILA is based in research. We set the standard for what literacy is, how it's taught, defined, how it's evaluated. And our researchers, along with our classroom teachers, reading specialists, librarians, they're such a key part of our organization and who we are. And through these connections with these various literacy educators, we are able to support so many educators and students and communities throughout the world.
Are you able to share some of the feedback you get?
Sure. So it depends on the project. Some of the feedback that we've received is just when we're helping an affiliate bring books into schools, the students are just so excited to have books. We're looking at a few library programs right now where we're going to partner with a local affiliate to increase the amount of books in those libraries. And that is more so for adult education. And we're seeing some excitement around that as well.
I can only imagine you're almost 70 years old, the organization. My gosh, some of the first people you taught and trained are retired by now.
Yes, yes. We have, new teachers that are just coming in, those that are retired, but they're still a part of the ILA community, and we're excited about that.
What's the future look like for you?
Well, the future is bright. We are working very closely with literacy experts around the world to produce new resources, professional development material that will support literacy throughout the globe.
And how can the public support you?
Sure, please visit our website. It is literacyworldwide.org. On that website, you'll see areas that show how you can get involved, as well as the opportunity to donate if you're able to support us in that way.
Great. And anything we should look for in the future?
Sure, we have wonderful partnerships that we're building right here in Delaware. So there will be some announcements coming up soon. And we have lots of other professional development offerings that will be coming out shortly.
Do you ever get together and have a conference and gather all of these people? And do you do it here in Delaware?
So sure, we have had large conferences all over the world. Obviously, COVID impacted that that initiative, but we are currently looking into having another event, and it may possibly be in Delaware. So we're going to have some announcements coming out soon.
Nicola Wedderburn, thank you so much for your time today. And if you have that conference, will you check back in?
Absolutely. It will be our pleasure, Sharon.
All right, then. Thank you so much.
Thank you.